Hey beekeeper enthusiasts, this is Captain Kenny here. November 6th. I should be in the woods deer hunting, but I'm not. I come out here and put mouse guards on all the hives except one. I'm not going to put one on this top bar hive because I really don't think a mouse can get in there. But since it doesn't have frames in it and they're suspended, the mouse couldn't actually do much damage to the honeycomb, so we'll see about that. But what I've done is I've put the entrance reducers in there, and I think I've pissed them off a little bit by putting the reducer in there. They're still bringing in pollen, so they'll get used to that reducer. This is actually the swarm that I caught this summer, and this is the busiest hive of all of them. This is the Texas, what, 5,000? They just started putting a little comb into that top honey super, but now they figured it out. That's my homemade mouse guard with the reducer in there. Let's walk over to the other 6 hives. This is the swarm that absconded, so there's nothing in it right now. I've got a hive I did a cutout last week that I'm gonna probably keep at the house all winter, and then maybe move it into there or move it into a box by themselves. All these look like they're doing pretty good. These are 8-frame hives. This one, the honey super, is about 3/4 of the way full of honey and nectar. They're still trying to figure out how to get in their hive there. This one's got one of those guards in it that keeps the hive beetles out. This one, I had problems with hive beetles all summer until I put that what is it called, a something guard, hive guard, I forgot, but it worked. It within about 2 weeks the hive beetle problem was gone. All these other hives that I opened up and did just a quick look-see to see how much honey stores they have, that number 5, 4, and 3 have almost 3/4 of a box of honey in the top. That number 6 has got 2 frames of honey in the top of it, only half of it capped. But all of them, I put these pieces of wire mesh stapled over the entrance, but it's reduced down to about 1 inch wide, so they'll have to figure it out. See, they're all trying to go in right here, but they have got a ton of pollen on their legs. Some of them just can't figure it out. They'll figure it out after a while. Just gotta walk around a little bit. These girls also have a lot of pollen on their legs. Bright orange. Get around on the side. I don't like standing right in front of it. Got a bunch of spiders. Everybody's got to eat though. These guys with the pollen can't figure it out. They'll eventually figure it out. I hope these openings are big enough. That's about 1 inch by inch, or 1 inch by 3/4. We'll see. But all of them are doing pretty good. The second box in all of these are completely full of capped off honey and brood. So they've got a lot of stores. Here's my fig tree. It weathered the summer, and I guess it looks like it'll probably make it in through the winter now. So that's my November 6th inspection, where I did a reduction on the hive entrances. And they should be good to go for a couple weeks. I'm going to go deer hunting next weekend, so I'm not going to be out here to check them. And then it's the weekend before Thanksgiving, so y'all have a good Thanksgiving. This is Captain Kenny signing off. Until we meet again out at the bee yard.